Major Binance news coming at you right here in this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So a lot to dive into. There's been a lot to talk about here in the last few days, that's for sure. But this Binance news in particular is aimed at Binance.us. Of course, that's really the company or parent company of Binance, right? That really came under scrutiny here during this SEC lawsuit, right? Now, they've updated a new delist list. I know, right? Delist list from more than 100 trading pairs to 10. And we're going to talk about why this is important and talk about which trading pairs are kind of, moving right now in terms of some that are offered and some that aren't on Binance US. So all of this is relevant to everybody too. Stick around to the end of the video because we're going to talk a little bit more macro about what this means for the environment going forward, what it means for altcoins going forward, because that's really what's happening here. This seems like it's an attack on altcoins, and Ethereum hasn't been named yet, right? Some people think that it's just, it's coming down the road. They're kind of delaying it. Other people think the SEC are going to, come around to Ethereum, but it makes you wonder then, what happens to all of these ERC20 tokens, right? Is it just the, tokens that have their own blockchain that they're going to go after? It's anybody's guess at this point, but this is the information we have right now in terms of the new delist list, and I want to take you inside here. So Binance will delete the following advanced trading pairs of BTC and BUSD. That's Binance's stablecoin. This is happening 12 p.m. Eastern today, okay? This is happening today, 12 p.m. Eastern. Atom/BTC, BCH/BTC, DOT Bitcoin, LRC Bitcoin, Mana Decentraland, Uniswap Bitcoin, VET VeChain Bitcoin, XTZ Tezos Bitcoin, HBAR BUSD stable, and Harmony One BUSD. It reminds users that all cryptocurrency transactions are still available, the platform's still up and running, and only some advanced trading pairs are affected here. But again, these following advanced trading pairs of BTC and BUSD as of today at noon will be deleted. Now, in addition to this, Binance US will simplify buying, selling, and switching products and reduce the number of supported switching trading pairs to 226. The maximum order amount has been updated to 10,000. The exchange has suspended its OTC trading portal services until further notice in the coming weeks and months. It seems as if they're working with the SEC to try to meet somewhere in the middle on this. Now, the move comes after, of course, pressure from the United States Security Exchange and Commission, SEC, with exchanges Binance and Coinbase. So what does this really mean, and what has it done to the overall cryptocurrency market? Well, take a look at Bitcoin. We're trading here at 26,000. We actually, kind of came up off the dips of 25.7. Actually came up and did a nice job recovering all the way back up over 27K. We've dialed back a little bit here underneath 27,000, 26,300 right now. But all in all, it has not been terrible in terms of, Bitcoin's resurgence here a little bit in the last day, in the last 36 hours or so. And, I think this is a good reminder that this is a global cryptocurrency market, right? It's not just about the United States. The United States is a big part of it, and I hope it becomes and still is and will forever be a big part of this market. But the longer that the U.S. and the SEC prolong finding some clarity, giving us clarity as investors, the more and more that other countries are going to push forward. And they should. And that's happening right now. And we're seeing some altcoins, take some hits here in the last 7 days. But all in all, not much has changed. The market's still at 1.1 trillion, right? In terms of the global crypto market cap, we've been kind of trading in this range anyway. So I think the market has actually taken this in stride when you look at it holistically. And, while it feels like there's a lot of fear, lawsuits aren't the end-all be-all, right? And there's been a lot of doom and gloom out there. I just don't think it's as bad as it seems. I think they're strategically doing this. I think they're manipulating the market in doing so. I think people bought the dip that had info on what was going on. I was reading up on some of the people who shorted Coinbase right before the news came out, as Coinbase stock dropped dramatically as soon as the news came out, like 20%, right? Which is a lot in the stock market. So that's where I kind of stand on it, but this is the most recent update as it relates to Binance and Binance US. Please be aware if you're a Binance US user. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that like button for us. It's totally free. Can you smash the like button? Come on. It's free. Just do it. All right. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.